मैं हूँ आपके साथ यास्मीन। कलर्स का मोस्ट कंट्रोवर्शियल शो बिग बॉस एक ऐसा शो है जो लोगों को काफी पसंद आता है। एक सीजन खत्म होता नहीं है कि लोगों को बिग बॉस के नए सीजन का इंतजार रहता है। जैसा कि आप सभी जानते हैं, बिग बॉस सीजन 12 लोगों को कुछ खास पसंद नहीं आया था, जिसके बाद खबरें आई थी कि अगले 2 सालों तक शो का अगला एपिसोड टेलीकास्ट नहीं किया जाएगा। वहीं हाल ही में हमने आपको बताया था कि बिग बॉस के 13वें सीजन के लिए लोगों को अब ज्यादा इंतजार नहीं करना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि मेकर्स ने 13वें सीजन की तैयारी शुरू कर दी है। और अब बिग बॉस से जुड़ी कुछ ऐसी खबर हमारे हाथ लगी है जिसे सुनकर आप भी चौंक उठेंगे। ये तो आप जानते ही होंगे कि बिग बॉस के एलिमिनेशन राउंड और विनर्स की पोल पहले ही लोगों के सामने आ जाती है। अब रिपोर्ट्स की माने तो इस पोल का खुलासा करने वाले शख्स की जान पर बनाई है। दरअसल एंटरटेनमेंट चैनलों पर आने वाले रियलिटी शोज में एडिट गुरु नाम की एक कंपनी इक्विपमेंट सप्लाई का कई सालों से काम करती है, और इस कंपनी के मालिक सत्यजीत सिंह ने खुद ये बात कही है कि बिग बॉस को प्रोड्यूस करने वाली कंपनी एंडमॉल के कुछ अथॉरिटी ऑफिसर्स भी उनसे बिग बॉस के रिजल्ट की पोल खोलने वाली बात को लेकर नाराज हैं। यही वजह है कि अब उन पर जानलेवा हमला हुआ है। उन्होंने बताया कि न केवल उनकी बल्कि उनके पूरे परिवार की जान को खतरा है। इस मामले में जब पुलिस ने उनकी नहीं सुनी तो फिर बाद में वो होम मिनिस्टर राजनाथ सिंह के ऑफिस पहुंचे, लेकिन वहां से भेजे गए निर्देशों पर भी मुंबई पुलिस ने अब तक कोई कार्रवाई नहीं की है। यहां तक कि एंडमॉल वालों ने उनके डुप्लीकेट सिग्नेचर बनाकर इस मामले को वहीं दफना दिया। खैर, अब ये मामला और क्या मोड़ लेता है ये तो आने वाले दिनों में पता चल ही जाएगा।
इसके अलावा आपने दूसरे शोज भी किए, लेकिन वो भी उतने पॉपुलर नहीं हुए जितना बिग बॉस में आप पॉपुलर हुए।
इसके अलावा मैंने सिर्फ एक ही शो किया है, 10
जी 10 कदम पर,
अच्छा
उससे
हुआ।
भी पर उससे ज्यादा,
क्योंकि वो एक एपिसोड आता है ना, यहाँ पर वो जो कंटेस्टेंट्स हैं वो मुझे यहाँ तक के बिल्ड करके लेके आते हैं।
जी नहीं, लेकिन
सैटरडे संडे को जो वो हरकतें, जो उनका रोमांस, जो उनके झगड़े, जो उनकी केमिस्ट्री, जो उनका ग्रुपिज्म जो चलता है, तो उसके ऊपर से मुझे बहुत सारा मटेरियल मिलता है आके सैटरडे संडे।
नहीं, लेकिन उसमें आप ये जो 3 पॉइंट्स हैं, एक तो एक आपकी पॉपुलैरिटी, दूसरा कि आपकी हाजिर जवाबी, या फिर उन लोगों के साथ एक पर्सनल एसोसिएशन जो उनके साथ
एसोसिएशन जरूर हो जाता है। और क्योंकि मैं हर एक एपिसोड 2-2 बार देखता हूं तो मुझे पता, आई नो कि घर में क्या हो रहा है, कौन क्या गेम प्ले कर रहा है। ये नहीं कि सुबह को उठे और ब्रीफिंग मिल गई और जाके वहां पर मैंने इंटरेक्शन शुरू कर दिया। दैट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू डू। सो बेसिकली मैं जरा पसीना पोंछ के आता हूँ, 1 सेकेंड, आप बस जवाब होगा
How do you think has Big Boss contributed in the success of Colors? I mean, from numbers point of view, from revenues point of view, from popularity point of view, everything.
It is one of our flagship shows, non-fiction shows. And every show that we do on the channel contributes to our success. There isn't any one particular show, but Big Boss being probably our biggest show, both in terms of financials and also in terms of the longest non-fiction show, which goes on for 100 days. In terms of buzz creation, I don't think there is any other event or sport that gets you the kind of mileage and popularity that Big Boss does.
And it contributes to society as well.
Of course.
Hi, this is Kalpana from Ad Gully. I have a question for Nadia. You've been associated with Big Boss year after year. What brings you to Big Boss?
Big Boss is a great platform. I think it's got it's a very unique property. The fact that it is a program that's constructed that's every single day for a certain period of time. The show itself, I believe, lends itself, it complements the brand values that we're building for Happy Fizz. And we think that it creates a great top of mind for our brand.
Nadia, this year you've got Salman as your brand ambassador. You think associating with Colors and associating with Big Boss will give a boost to your brand?
I think like Raj already just said, the fact that we've associated 3 consecutive years says a lot about the fact that we believe in the benefits of the association. With Salman, we've launched this year our partnership, and it has been absolutely phenomenal. Happy Fizz today is growing at over 80%. over last year, and we're looking forward to taking this to the next level altogether.
Hi Raj, this is Letty here from Midday. This side. My question is to you. What over the seasons, what's the one thing that you do not want to repeat in this season? And the second question is, besides Salman Khan, what's the secret of the success of Bigg Boss?
I think it's the format. It's just the format, and it's about human beings are amazing individuals. You know, I mean, this is a case study in terms of human psychology. And I know a lot of people, a lot of parents watch with their children, and we call it a family show. But somebody, you know, I get this lot of requests for casting, and people think that I have a role to play, which I don't. But one of the person who wrote to me said something very interesting. She wrote me a mail and said, I want to go into Bigg Boss because I also want to discover myself. And that was interesting. I thought it was an interesting spin.
Hello. Hi guys. I have a question for Sheetal. Sheetal, if you can elaborate, I mean, what kind of Jodis we should expect for this season?
So you can expect all kind of Jodis. You can expect not only blood relations but friends, colleagues. You can expect people working together. You know, you can expect.
Basically, whatever Jodis we want to make up and we want to put in the house.
Absolutely. Very interesting, very entertaining, and we've got a fab casting, so I think you will like it.
There's one really interesting Jodi that we are going to put up, which is not a Jodi. That is also a Jodi.
Hi Salman, Sana here from Indian Express.
Hi, Sana.
Salman, you've worked with a lot of people in Bollywood. Who do you feel has a Vichitra Jodi? Who do you think is a Vichitra Jodi in Bollywood?
So I'll tell you, when I signed Bigg Boss a long time ago, there was one season that I did with Sanju, and season 55. So that was a really good Jodi for me. But let me take you slightly back. When I signed Bigg Boss, the one who was being considered to sign Bigg Boss was Shah Rukh Khan. I didn't know about this. Did you guys know about this? No. No, so Shah Rukh was the original choice of Bigg Boss, but he was shooting and he had some, that shoulder ka jo injury tha uska pehle, and he was shooting somewhere in Prague and he couldn't make it down, and so he couldn't do the show. And that's how I got into Bigg Boss. And this is something that I learned some time ago, and didn't get a chance to thank, Colors and thank Shah Rukh for, giving me Bigg Boss.
And the second question is, every year, more than the contestant, your paycheck is the buzz of town. This year, there's no news or such. Why is it? Is it
because demonetization took place.
Yeah, and trust me, hugely.
And he loves
Hugely.
colors immensely.
Yeah, it's all, yeah.
I have a question for Ashish. Ashish, a question for you. What goes into creating, Abhishek, I'm sorry. What goes into creating such a big mammoth production like Bigg Boss?
So something like...
The challenges you face.
Yeah, I think clearly there is the three talents, the talent part of this property, which starts from the host, goes over to the team that makes those new tasks, and the talent that's in the house. Those are the three pillars that we have for the show like this. That's what you see, that's the mix that gets it all the success.
I have two more questions. One for Nadia.
Only?
Nadia, what are your plans, in this season for Happy Fizz? Now also more so because Salman is also the brand ambassador for your brand. And Mr. Khan, one for you. You've been associated with Bigg Boss for a very long time, 9 consecutive years as we heard. So how do you think has that helped your brand value, and how has your brand value helped Bigg Boss and Colors? If you can just say something.
So the answer to that question is, I really don't know. Seriously, I really don't know. Okay, how has Bigg Boss helped my brand, or how I have helped Bigg Boss? I don't know. Just वो एक तालमेल अच्छी हो गई है and you know people see me as the host in Big Boss and they so far can't see anybody apart from me but for Farah Khan, so it's been good for me.
Salman,
Because Farah did that one thing, na? And Sanju also did. Extension, she did the extension. Acha, when Farah did the extension, the TRPs were higher than mine, na, by the way.